All right, this is Al McNally with Garage Doors here, and we're at another family member's house here, looking at a Craftsman, an older Craftsman chain drive, the beginning of 2000. This is on a insulated door. I have no clue what it is. The remote right here, or the wall control. This is only a one button. The sensors, by the way, right there are way mounted high because they have a lot of stuff in the garage. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and run this for you guys, and here we go. Yeah, pretty loud chain drive. Yeah, it's pretty windy today, and did not want to tell you because it's privately, so let's close it now. Yeah, that chain drive is very loud. Yeah, that is very loud. 20 over years old. By the way, you guys could see how the crappy setup was on this. Oh my gosh, how they did it like this. When they get a new opener, or if I'm ever going to install it, I'm going to make sure next time to make sure it's correctly installed, get a quieter opener, and fix those sensors underneath. All right, well, anyways, guys, that's it. That is the Sears Craftsman, or the Craftsman garage door opener. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy holidays.